Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and, critical flaws that are to fix in Google Chrome. So it all started with Google Chrome getting an update on Thursday, March 12th, and it was known that there was a critical flaw that would be exploited in the wild in the V8 scripting engine. And so that had moved your version to the ending would be 75 or 76. But then again, yesterday, late Friday, March 13th, another update. So this one is also a critical flaw exploited in the wild. So 20 days this week for Google Chrome. It's important to fix these flaws as they are actively exploited. And the final version, as of today, Saturday, March 14th, you should be at 146.0.7680.79 or 80, depending on the version that you have. So two critical flaws, one in V8, one in Skia, which is some kind of rendering engine. And that means that they are actively exploited. They have been discovered. One has been discovered by the Google Threat Analysis Group. And so that means it's kind of important to update your Google Chrome browser. That also means that all the Chromium browsers will have a fix very soon to that. So check your Chromium browser, your favorite browser, for updates also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.